Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jojo Palacio, and on this channel we talk about all things beauty. Today we are here to talk about two things. One, I did a huge NYX makeup haul and we're here to talk about it. I love doing these hauls for you guys because I need more affordable makeup, period, and I just love trying things out and getting you guys' feedback, your suggestions. Two, we are at week 6. Yay us! Week 6 of my 8-week giveaway marathon, and I'm just so excited. It has been such a great marathon. You guys' support means so much to me. You have showed me so much love. You have been sharing it on social media, and I am so grateful. So thank you so much. And in gratitude, I want to give you guys these 2 items today or this week. So the giveaway rules are listed down below. It tells you how to enter, and you'll also see what is being given away every single week. We have just 3 weeks left, 2 weeks. 2 weeks left because this is week 6. I can't believe it. But we are giving away these guys right here. So this is the Morphe x Manny MUA Glam palette. This is an eye and face palette. It's got eyeshadows, it's got highlighter, it's got blushes. It's so amazing. And then you also get this Morphe x Jeffree Star carrying case for your brushes. So these are 2 amazing items for week 6 of our 8-week marathon giveaway. So if you're interested in entering the marathon, again, the rules are listed down below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I have a ton of giveaways planned for this year, not only this 8-week marathon. This was just to kind of launch the year and get us started. But there's also tons going on my Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. It's Jojo_Palacio, where we talk about things, all things beauty. We do a lot more behind the scenes. You guys get to see a ton more of just, more informational, educational, all things makeup. So look me up. Now, let's get into this haul video. So NYX by far has to be one of my favorite brands to shop for at the drugstore. They're just such good quality high-end products, and they have amazing dupes for high-end products. They're literally the same thing, just so much more inexpensive. So let's start off with these guys right here. So I have been on the hunt for affordable drugstore blushes, and so I purchased 2 from NYX. This is the Sweet Cheeks Matte Collection. They're creamy powder blushes, and I got them in 2 shades. So the first shade is Summer Breeze, which is right here, and then this is Totally Chill. I have tried Totally Chill in a couple of tutorials already. This one I have not yet to try, but that is absolutely gonna be my go-to summer blush. I can already feel it. The next thing that we got in here was some foundations. I have been dying to try both of these foundations since I seen them come out, and they're these guys right here. So this is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation, which is a full coverage. You can do light, medium, or full depending on how many drops. So 2 drops would be light, 3 drops would be medium coverage, 4 drops and more would be full coverage. And then this guy right here is the NYX Born to Glow Foundation. So this is supposed to be a dupe for the Fenty Beauty Foundation. This is a naturally radiant foundation. I got it in the shade Buff. I have a feeling that it's going to be too dark for me, but you can also add to manipulate, so I'm not worried about it. But this one I've tried and I love. I'm doing this haul a little later. I've had these things for a few weeks now because I've just been so caught up with Valentine's Day, and I did an elf haul and this giveaway marathon. I've just been busy. But I absolutely love this foundation. It did not disappoint. It's very lightweight on, yet it does cover up. This is absolutely a dupe for the Cover FX custom drops. I'm obsessed with this. Like, I need more of this. I want some for my kit. It's so good. This I'm excited to try. The next items on my list. Oh, I missed a blush. How could I have missed a blush? This is another one of the blushes. It's called Citrine Rose, and there's just such good blushes. It's a huge pan. I have to show you. The prices to everything will be listed down below, if not on the screen, but this is that Citrine Rose. Look at how big this pan is. Huge, but these are so pretty. This is, again, another one of those summer shades I can't wait to use. I got some concealers. You guys know that I love the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, but that's more of like a matte finish. So I decided to try something that was a little more radiant. I love my Age Rewind by Maybelline. It is absolutely my favorite radiant drugstore concealer. However, this guy is the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. I got it in 2 shades because I use a concealing shade, which is this guy right here, and then I use a highlighting shade. The colors that I bought were light ivory and fair. So let's see how these turn out. The next item on this haul is one that I've been using for about 3 weeks now, and I'm obsessed. This is the NYX Brow Glue. Guys, this really glues your brows down and makes them look super laminated. I'm using the product now. I am obsessed with this, whether it's a natural feathered brow moment or a glam feathered brow. It is just really, really easy to use, easy to build, very simple, and it's super inexpensive. So I would absolutely recommend this 10 out of 10 to anyone looking for something for their brows. As you guys know, I've been on the hunt for all affordable drugstore items to replace a lot of my high-end ones. Not replace, but to offer a different variety, especially when I'm doing my videos, because you guys love drugstore. And so I went looking for these guys. These are highlighters by NYX. This is the High Glass highlighter in the shade Moon Glow. And this guy right here, I have not tried yet. This is the Born to Glow in the shade Chosen One. Let's just talk about this one for a minute because I have tried this one. This is such a buttery powder. Like, it feels so soft, so smooth, and it builds up so nicely on the skin. I'm not wearing it now, but I have done a few tutorials wearing it. I'll try to find them and link it above here. But this is such a good highlighter. And this one I'm very excited to use. It looks very icy, very frosty, and I'm getting pretty tan, so I feel like that contrast is just gonna be that perfect summer glow moment. So this item here, I was super excited to try. This is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen. I'm obsessed with my Anastasia brow pen. It is so good. I'm wearing it right now. The other day I tried this NYX one and I got it in the shade Brunette, and it started off pretty light brown and then it turned super red on me. Like, not even disguisable red, not even like, is that auburn? No, it was like a red on me, and I was so disappointed. So I liked the way the product applied. I liked how easy it was to use, but I did not like the pigment payoff. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get a different color and maybe that will change my mind. But I was excited and yet disappointed at the same time. So let me get back to this and I'll let you know. And then last but not least, I got some more lip products by NYX. I am not a stranger to NYX lip products. I love their lipsticks. I love their liners. They're like my favorite drugstore lipstick brand to use. I just got 2 new, well, actually, I don't even think they're new. I think these are just refills. So I got 2 NYX Suede matte lip liners in the shade Cans and in the shade, what is this? Los Angeles. So I'll show you the bottom so you can see the shade. This Los Angeles shade, which is the darker one, is excellent for like just lining your lips and putting some gloss on. It is like your lip color, but better. And I love the definition that it gives my lips. And then Cans is just, I know it looks super pink, but it's not. It's like a very subtle pink color that you can wear with your pinky nudes. And then I tried a new lipstick. This is the lipstick Corset. I actually got a couple of them. I got one that's called Satin Ribbon, and this one is Corset, which are both nudes. Surprise, surprise. I just love nude, and I love the formula to those lipsticks, so I know that I'm not gonna be disappointed. That is it for the haul. I know it was super short and simple. I got a ton of stuff though. I am so happy with what I got so far. Everything has been really good quality except the brow pen. I was just not happy with the way that color just turned on me. It was like, I was like betrayed by my best friend almost. Like, it looked so bomb as I was applying it, and then all of a sudden it was like red. And then I had to like just figure out what to do so that my brows didn't look red. So weird. But that's it, guys. That's it for the haul. I hope that you like these videos. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you've tried these products out and you have an opinion on them, please comment down below and let me know. Maybe you guys know some tricks, some tips that I don't know, and I would love to hear from you about them. And that is it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Again, the winner is announced on Sundays through my Instagram. You are coming into this on week 6 of my 8-week marathon. So we still have 2 more weeks and this week if you have not missed. So you haven't missed a thing. And that is it for this video, guys. Love you, bless you, and I will see you guys next time.